As you know, it can be quite difficult and awkward to store your Pocket 3 in the protective case which they have provided. So in this video, I'll show you how to safely store your Pocket 3 in the protective case which DJI has provided. So the most hardest part is lining up the Pocket 3 and you're not sure if the gimbal is in the correct position. So to safely store your Pocket 3 in the protective case, you want to first take your gimbal, switch it off. Now make sure the screen is facing downwards. Take the top of the gimbal and line it up to the top of the protective case. Slide the gimbal in 45 degrees angle until it touches the notch. Now slowly drop the gimbal down and this should basically slide the gimbal into the protective case. And there you go, that is how to safely place your DJI Pocket 3 in the protective case. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.